Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Yeah, let's see what we do today. The market is looking okay. I mean, SPY went gap up a bit, but it's giving it away right away. So when we look at SPY, basically, yeah, it gap up with quite low volume here, and yeah, it might be able to fill up the gap, and then we're gonna see what is going to happen. But it's looking strong-ish, so will definitely take time for it to. But yeah, probably the market wants to go higher. Let's see. So we had some numbers coming out this morning. Nothing crazy, nothing out of the park, I will say. The only observation I will have, it will be in the ADP employment change, which at the time that that was a subject like a couple months ago, the number was, I think, above 100K, like 100,000, 110,000, 130,000. And right now the actual, like the previous was 106,000, and like right now it's 54,000. So that I will probably see Donald Trump coming to comment on that, or yeah, like it's normally people don't look at it until people look at it. I mean, it's like that's the indicator that people are really not looking at it. But when it start like printing extreme numbers, like then people start, okay, maybe
Hey,
we
wait
have
a
to pay
minute.
attention to this, you know. So how are you doing, Marie, today?
Good. A little bit still coughing. That stupid cold. And but yeah, doing good. Beautiful day today. How are you doing, David?
Nice. Pretty good, Marie. Trying to keep the healthy habits. You know, it's
Hey, you're doing fantastic.
let's see how we do. But yeah, that basically is what I'm trying to do. Like, I mean, just trying to be healthy. So yeah,
I love it.
I-
Love it.
I have a chart here that I was just looking at. Like, basically, it's PLTR yesterday.
Okay.
You remember that prediction we did about the price? It's a prediction because we were dead on, but it's not our job to predict whatever happened. Look, it came from the 61.14. That's my line here. All the way down to 157, 156.75, 156.
Look at you.
So, but like here, if you see, like that's the point. It goes from extreme to extreme. Like it came from the blue line on top to the blue line on the bottom, almost. But
And then
now we should be looking long, like if the market is gonna be providing, because it's gonna break that at some point. It's just like it was yesterday was not the day for it to break.
not the day. Exactly.
So
I love it.
yeah, so let's take a look at PLTR and see if there is any relevant size at the tape. Are you looking at anything on a specific, Marie?
Well, there's a few. So right now I was looking at Sony.
Sorry, yeah, I see. Okay, sorry, I haven't.
But I
probably
don't like
have.
the volume, but I really like how it spiked in. But right now,
Yeah, it's a gap on low volume.
it's a low volume, and I'm not sure about. So I was just looking at that one. Then I was looking at it was both NVO and Ionic. So I just
Yeah,
didn't-
both of the Ionic MVO, both of all the things you have told me, they really have very low volume. Is there a reason
Yeah.
why you are looking at things with low
very
volume
high
today?
RVOL.
Okay.
So I need to combine. So they are in my top 20 with IRVOL. And I was just looking to see who would be higher. But obviously Sony is second in RVOL. But I would like to... What about Snap?
Snap is snapping again. No, it's dead today.
So Snap's got high volume and IRVOL.
Okay.
And what about you? What are you looking at?
What's up, my guy? How are you doing? The Discord is already open if ever you show up. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking at PLTR, as I say. Like, I miss a call from Zach. Okay. See. We hello? Let me raise the volume of this. Pretty good. What about you?
Pretty good, yeah.
Good, good. Here, looking at what we're gonna trade.
Bonjour, Zach.
Bonjour. Can you hear me?
Oui,
Absolutely.
It's just you throw me out a little bit when you when you speak French.
He is French, right?
Oh, oui.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
So anything like I'm looking PLTR Nvidia, but right now I don't have a trade. Like PLTR, I like the long on PLTR. I don't see clear entry right now for PLTR for me, especially because it's probably not the best long. You know, like we are close to those prices I am interested on, but like yeah. Are you, Zach, looking at anything specific?
Just looking at the PLTR, SoFi, IBIT, like that normal stuff.
Okay.
Don't know if I should focus on one or do multiple, but we'll see.
Big imbalance on AMD.
Okay, I'm gonna go to AMD soon. I have an order to get some NVDA, and I'm gonna have an order to get some PLTR. But the PLTR, I'm gonna be playing like a cat. I don't trust the PLTR too much. Maybe I should go the other way with PLTR and like don't even think about it.
Here we go.
Good luck, everybody. So I have an order to go long PLTR as well, but I gonna be patient. I'm not chasing PLTR. PLTR have been my worst performance this week. Today is not Friday, right? No, yeah. I'm going the other way on PLTR, right there. Okay, escape. I think it can move about 50 cents against me too. So I say I won't chase it, but that's not chase. I have a size there that I want to go with. So may print 50. So PLTR, I have PLTR, and as I say, like I'm gonna be doing the same thing of cashing out as soon as I can. So Nvidia, I have to go back and renegotiate with Nvidia.
Excuse me.
Excuse you. Okay, Nvidia, I'm gonna give it a shot around here. So I will be chasing a bit Nvidia, but that Nvidia have very like up to now high relative volume, so it doesn't seem like if it wants to go down. to my entry, which was 169. It doesn't look like if it's going to get there, so we are going to have to be very patient. And for PLTR, what did I say I'm gonna be doing? I'm gonna be ringing that bell as much as possible, flush it a bit more, my guy, and I'm gonna be doing the partialing. Go lower. Why I don't have crosshair? Crosshair. Any trade that you have, Marie?
AMD.
AMD, okay. Yeah, it's true. I was going to look at that, but I forgot to. So AMD, because AMD had a heavy imbalance as well yesterday. What do I have aligned there? There we go. PLTR gonna ring in the bell very soon. Go for it. Go for it. I know you want it.
Really like what SPY's doing right now for longs.
Oh my goodness. The liquidity around 154 on PLTR is insane. Zach, I guess you're gonna be waiting for your time to take any of those trades, right?
I'm wrong on the SoFi. And I tried a little trade on PLTR at the open. It didn't work.
Okay.
Now the long SoFi is working.
Market just went kaboom.
Bye.
Oh yeah, I see.
Kaboom!
Cool stuff.
What was that?
I didn't partial from PLTR yet, and it's making me a little bit nervous. So I will reduce my risk on the PLTR. You wanna make a higher high? Get me out before, you know.
Right about there. Reprint 30.
Anybody looking for short on Nvidia, watch out.
We got a big wick there on SPY.
Oh yeah. In my humble opinion, PLTR shouldn't be printing a higher high. Just saying.
Okay.
Like.
Tell me why.
Why? Because that phrase I always say, it came too close to the sun to not be born. Like,
Yeah.
so there is a major like a 152, like it's actually 153.33, but let's say 152.50. 152.50 is a pending test for it. Like I mean, like all the volume, all the things suggesting that it can really go to 152.50. And when we look at the tape, we can see some sizes at 54, but not strong enough for it to hold. So why would it hold around there? So but of course, like we are not seeing everything. Like look, 153 have 100 lot, 154 has another 100 lot, and then 152.50. Like when we look at 152.50, it has 105 plus a bunch of sizes around there. So I'm not too concerned about PLTR, especially because I already reduced my risk on that one.
Okay.
So I would like to see probably Nvidia holding the 171 because there was a good size in there. But I have not much clue for Nvidia, so I am a little bit blind spot or blindsided on Nvidia. You are trading AMD and you are going long, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not convinced there.
Yeah, the imbalance I had for AMD was toward the downside, so not toward the upside. So, but you know, as I say, we're gonna start emptying those things as soon as possible. Oh la la, that was too loud. That was PLTR.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
So we're gonna hold the rest at break with our price at break even, our stop loss at break even. So I think it wants to go lower, but I'm gonna say it: if you print $1 more below, I'm out. The market is bullish today,
Yeah.
so we have to look probably for long ideas. Like this
I agree.
this trade on Nvidia is making me a little bit sketchy. Tesla, do we want to load Tesla? I think I do, but let's see. The price was 133, 333, or yeah, 333. Tesla today. Does Tesla have anything? 3450 seems to be relevant, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna be smoky. 3450. Let's try a little bit of Tesla there. As I say, a little bit. Yeah, there we go. I think that's gonna be smoky, but not for too long. I wanna see it printing 33. If PLTR go back to the VWAP, I'm gonna add. Is the weakest? Although AMD, I don't know.
NB got me out for now. What?
Like I have some levels in case that you want to look at the tape, because I did the process that Zach showed me for AMD. Ooh la la.
Yep.
Yeah, there is no reason why to go long right now in AMD.
Not yet. Not arrived.
Nvidia got me out. So Tesla, but Nvidia, I want 169. NVDA 169. there is buying. You see, there is buying on Nvidia, so we have to watch out for that one. Though the volume is coming higher and higher. You are trading Lucid.
Mm-hmm. Where are you?
So I have my order to add a bit to Tesla, but I won't stay married to that one. So Tesla, as I say, I have an order to add at 333.
Okay.
And like it literally print 333.00. So my mistake was to not drop off the order. So because I didn't think it was going to get there that fast, but just an excuse. I supposed to just put the order and walk away. So Palantir, I am almost out of Palantir very soon. That trade is the best trade of the day right now. Nvidia get me out 170. Let's give it that shot at 170 one more time. But this time it's gonna be the tight stop loss. I have no reason why to hold for longer. So it's gonna be 15 cents stop loss on NVDA. Tesla is coming into the money without having the opportunity to add. But we're gonna be patient with that one, you know. How do you say? Let's make it big and better, like this guy says.
Let's make it what?
Like this. Let's try to have a big day today too. So
I like it.
fantastic, the way that Tesla is doing. So I moved my order to add on Palantir. I put it at the PCL because I just noticed that we open slightly below the PCL. So yeah, it has like I supposed to have leeway to go a little bit lower. So though the volume is ramping up, you know. Zach, you trade after 10 is right?
I'm trying trades before just to see if the rule is really what I need. So we'll see.
Okay.
So you've got an order now, Zach?
Yeah, I've traded like SoFi. It's not doing good. The LTR was short. Yeah, that's it. Well, now it's not going good. I'll see after 10 if it's better.
We've got a strong RSI on SPY.
I'm chasing Nvidia a little bit more than what I would like to, but should be okay. Like Palantir is gonna come into the money very soon, and it's gonna break that bottom, I think. You're gonna have to go the other way with Nvidia as well. I'm gonna give it one shot long. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna go the other way. There we go, I got it. It's a specific price that doesn't hold. Exactly. So if I
I got in short on the PLTR right before the breakdown.
Nice.
So, printing.
Nice, that's my guy.
Pull back from SPY, going through.
Yeah, there,
Yeah.
Both
so-
there a
VWAPs.
news?
Not that I
There's a
know.
news?
At 10 we have news. At 10 we have ISM service PMI. Time to say goodnight. So I have an order to go long on Nvidia. My original order, what I thought I never gonna
What's
get.
that? Did you see that pullback handle?
Yeah, but that's
That's crazy.
yeah, but don't get smoked by that. Like that, you have a lot. You can pull back way more before ripping off, like toward the upside. So Tesla, I have my order to add what I want to add. So PLTR is doing what it's doing. Nvidia. Hi Nvidia, what am I gonna do with you? Time to fly.
What's Amazon doing?
Hey, lately I have been correct enough that my mistake have been to not add. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna add to Tesla, and I hope I don't regret that. So I mean, I'm gonna add that my entry, and I'm gonna, yeah, there we go. I add to Tesla, and I'm gonna liquidate it if you break the 330. So at 330.50, if anything. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Come on, Tesla. Okay, there we go. I got it back. Okay, we watch it. We look at it.
SPY is some kind of wiki.
We're gonna get some Nvidia soon. I didn't get it by 1 cent. So
1 cent.
yeah. Yeah, Spice weird. Like that's not all-time high, so yes. No, it's not.
No.
Okay, let's pay attention to Palantir. Okay, Nvidia is coming fast and furious down. So there we go. We got the NVDA. If it doesn't hold by 15 cents, I'm gonna be out. And I'm not shooting it until we get to the 169. If it doesn't work like that. That could deserve like a 50 cent stop loss, but it's just like the market is too weak, as Marie say.
Oof.
So if it's going to work, I want it to work right away. If it doesn't work, I want to be out. So Palantir, I'm gonna put the order ahead because I am not sure that this is 55.48. So it will be at 54.48. 54.48. That's too close. So let it work, my guy. Let it work. That trade is bigger than what you are really doing right now. So let it go. Let it go. Nvidia, like the fact that I have 15 cents stop loss and you have been holding, I gave it 50 cents now.
Oh.
The reason for that is because he hold quite decent for long enough above the 70. So I don't want to be checked out when the trade proves me that it has some value. So it's not a full stop loss, so it's okay. So PLTR, I should be looking out. I say on PLTR, but like it's just looking not good. So I probably, as I believe that the market is alone today, I shouldn't be holding PLTR for too long, but let's see.
SPY interacting with both VWAPs. Pulling
Okay.
back. Wow.
Palantir. As I say, Palantir have been the best trade of the day. SPY, I'm looking at SPY too, but
I'm
Yeah.
looking at SPY too.
it's looking good for the long, though as you say, it's very weaky. Nvidia got me out. Yeah, I didn't want to do this, but I'm gonna do it. It's Logic 101, so we're gonna short Nvidia. It's a mistake to not do that.
To not short it.
Temporarily, like just not performing as good. I'm keeping an eye on SPY.
Mm-hmm.
What do you see on SPY, Marie?
It's not making higher high, but the RSI is not pulling back. So it seems like we've got in the RSI, when I'm talking pulling back into the midpoint, the midpoint corresponds to the VWAP, but it's not making higher high. So it almost looks, if you're looking and making your trend lines, a fish tail.
Mm-hmm. Coming from the bottom.
Mm-hmm. The bottom and the top.
Well, what implied kind of a bullish setup, but
Mm-hmm. Because it's doing it above the VWAP, right?
yeah, especially. Yeah, that was not one I was taking in consideration, but it's totally right.
Mm-hmm.
You are totally right on that one. News is hitting very soon. Like,
Mm-hmm. Less than a minute. And you said it's the ISM?
yeah, service PMI, ISM service PMI. Guantanamera, amigo Guantanamera. So the actual number is higher, it's 52. The consensus was 51. The previous was 50.1, and the actual is 52.
So that's good.
Yeah. But not as good. I mean, like, I don't know why the reaction is not that strong
Mm-hmm.
right now. Like, I am measuring it kind of by how many cents against me this thing is moving.
Not everybody has it though.
Oh, they don't have it?
Okay. I like the fact that it is still interacting, right, with the whoosh.
Oh my gosh. Zach, do you still have SoFi?
Yeah.
You're long?
Going kind of good. Oof. Reaction. It's so choppy today.
Yeah, it's definitely choppy right now.
I'm short on RGTI.
Oh,
Yeah.
People trading those names. You are so. I want to grow. When I grow up, I want to be like you guys. Don't are you not? You're not trading RR, like RR, no?
I don't know what it is.
It's a ticket that move
Insane.
insanely. Yeah, like it's
I love
but
that
like
ticket.
I'm not being sarcastic here. Like the question and trying to be funny, but like what I mean is like Marie was trading it last week, and I in myself I put an order to get it. I just didn't get it. Like,
It was clear, right?
yeah, like it have a clear setup that like that was really tradable.
Okay. Okay.
You know, Zach, what I'm doing. You remember I asked you like how you discriminate between one level and the other
Yeah.
for the thing you show me.
Mhm.
So I write down like the ones that has the clearest rejection or the clearest bounce,
Mhm.
and is as simple as is the ones that have the lowest.
The lowest
So
one.
SPY.
The lowest amount of volume. Like when you have your spectrum, you compare all of them, and the one that has the lowest is gonna act better by a lot. Like yesterday, I don't know if you look at it, but like yesterday, we were able, as I say, like you was even said in the channel, was thanks to your level and thanks to the tape, like the things you show me. But look how precise we predict the price on the top of Palantir. That's how high it went, and that was the line.
Slide yesterday. It was based on my level.
Okay, so if you check those levels, you're gonna notice that in PLTR, that top is the lowest level in the last 3 months. Guys, yeah, I have to come back and check like why that one works that clean and why the other didn't. And it's like there is a big difference between the volume that was printed in between one and the other. And the one with the lowest seems to be the best. Sorry, I think I interrupted Marie. Well, what did you say?
No, it's good. We've got to pull back from
From a spy.
hell. It's pulling back to the PCL with force and passion.
Our GTI just made 4 hours on that.
Oh, it went.
And
Yeah, like it's falling a lot. Do you have any target on that?
yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, out. Okay. Ooh la la.
Excuse me.
I'm not sure, but I think Spy want to go back and retest. I have been saying that for the whole week. That's not true, probably.
Retest the PCL?
No. Hold on to the number. Don't listen to me. I'm gonna say it just because I am looking at it, and it's
Yes,
legit.
please.
It's legitimately what I believe.
Of course.
But it's very extreme. So like a spy, this is suggesting, and like the spy want to go back and test the 640 with 50 cents before moving forward.
Sure.
As I say, don't listen to me.
Yeah, that's like.
if I am doing my job, I need to look at the tape, right?
Absolutely, right?
So what the tape say? The tape for SPY. Well, we can put a checkpoint. Let's see, on SPY, the checkpoint will be at 143.80, like 643.80. So if we trade below that line, then we have a little bit more data. My concern is that I really see it building up toward the 40s. Like the 42 right now
Okay.
has a decent size. The 43 as well. I'm gonna be out of Tesla. Tesla broke my price, and I'm just gonna be out right now. I don't believe on the trade anymore for now. So, did you walk away from AMD?
Me, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Wow, SPY.
So I'm gonna short half of the size on AMD. Right there. If we move to my price, I'm gonna add. Getting all the eggs in only one bag, that's not good.
If this breaks, this will be ginormous.
Lucid, yeah. Again, you have the same setup I always say.
Yeah.
Right below the VWAP, buying close to the bottom, and then you look.
Bettering my price, and looking. Like here, though, it has to make a higher high, or I'm pressing the break even because my position is too high. Like I've got a big position on Lucid. But if it breaks, hold on to your shorts. It's building. Tape is changing.
Let me look at SPY in here.
Oops. Wow.
Look at SPY.
Mm-hmm. SPY at the open price right now Okay, interacting with the 50 EMA. Come on. What are you trading, Davey?
I'm trading AMD, Nvidia, PLTR. I'm shorting all of them. In AMD, I only have half of the size because I say I don't know. Like it can go 60 apparently, so. If a SPY trade above 645, I am not going short. Like right now, I only gonna give it 645 because at the open it did a massive rejection in there for like a long time. So the shorts are looking distant now, like less flushy. But I wouldn't trust the SPY because, for example, right now it was pushed like by one entity only. And yes, that entity was strong enough, but I don't know how much they're gonna keep buying or if that was just one shot. Like right now it's selling and you have selling pressure, but as it is selling, the bid is stepping up. So I wanna see, before I confirm myself in the short side, I want to see a SPY to have a similar flush without the bid getting held.
Okay.
If I am right, those are very big trades, but at the same time, because of how choppy SPY have been, like I am making a mistake. There we go. That's the bid I'm talking about. That's the offer I'm talking about, but it got rebid like right away.
Going through the PCL.
So what I'm saying, what the mistake I'm making here is that I am like, if you see all my trades are short, when in reality I'm still like on the sides, like insecure about, I really want to go short. Like I mean, SPY is close to a price that is suggesting to go long, and like, yeah, I don't feel comfortable having all of them like that. I will manage the risk for sure, but it's the equivalent of having all your eggs
in one basket.
Guantanamera. So price at today is red.
The good, yeah. Some,
Like,
yeah.
of course, like yesterday had a massive day. It's normal. Like I mean, a little pullback. But Google is a little bit going down. But like as we say, if you put it in perspective, like this is the gap. Like that's yesterday. Then it gap down. Yeah, it was before yesterday actually. How is Tesla looking like? Oh yeah. I'm glad I came out of that. And I was wrong because the price I wanted was 330, not 333. Lucid. Guantanamera. Look at that bit. Like I'm scrolling down yet, you know? Like that's on a SPY. I'm still scrolling down and now scrolling up, 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 up. Like,
Wow. Wow. Excuse me, my goodness.
excuse you. Do you have your water?
Mm?
You have your water?
Yes,
Please.
thank you. Wow, eh? What a pop from SPY.
It's not a higher high yet, you know?
No, no, no.
Okay, I'm gonna do a walk through the volume. So my tickets, like I have Nvidia. Yeah, that volume is kind of mixed or very mixed. So I know this Nvidia short is the sketchiest out of the three. So for AMD, I will add. And I will remove from Nvidia. The reason why I want to do that is because I am more sure about AMD than what I'm sure about Nvidia. Or I can be out there and do Nvidia at a different price.
So we've got SPY now that's popped back up and is interacting with the 50 and the 200 EMA. Excuse me.
So the volume on Nvidia, it's okay. Not too good for me to say I am not going short either, so but yeah, let's wait. So AMD, very very distinct. Like as I say, I'm trying to add on AMD. PLTR. What about SPY?
So SPY now, like I said, is interacting with the 50 and the 200 EMA. A really big pop went through that PCL, not nothing, but did not retest the open. So we'll see if it's going to make a higher high. It looks like it's going to.
Yeah, as I say, I have a line on the sun on SPY which is at 645. If I see 645 or above, I am not keeping those things. So
Wow. So SPY's going through to 50 to 100 like butter. Going through now the VWAP and the anchor. Just the right now the RSI looks like a rocket. Whew. So your 645 is coming up.
Oh worry, that's gonna get me out of Nvidia. SPY 645.
Almost. It's on deck. There it is. 645. Holding 645. How's it doing, Davey?
Not good right now. I'm okay. I mean, it's just like
Well,
mhm.
reacted strongly to your 645.
Yeah, like it's I don't trust it in either direction. That's the problem. That's the problem I have. So
Yeah, we found a lot of sellers at your 645.
mhm.
We'll see what the RSI does.
Like if you ask me why I am so confused, it's basically like the way I was looking at the market when the day started was quite bullish.
Okay,
But then because it didn't took off with momentum, I started doubting it.
okay,
And then SPY got into what is the choppy mode for me. Like what is that choppy mode? What I see, like when I see a SPY trap between the 200 and the one from the 1 minute and the 5,
uh-huh,
I don't like it because it's gonna be very rangy normally. And like it was trapping there from basically from 10 up to 1025. So and now it's like signaling back to the bullish side, which was the original idea. But yeah, because it didn't took off with momentum, if I don't see it trading above 645, I'm not convinced.
Okay.
At the 645, you say why the 645? Look at the, if you look at the 5 minute, you're gonna see a bunch of wicks.
Yeah, it's very
right
weekly.
on top of the 45 and even below. So, but once
It
the
seems
sell
to
is
be
going to go
reacting
higher.
well to the VWAP, but then we'll see.
Like let's say Nvidia is my strength gate, like gauge. Look at what happened on Nvidia. It got me out. The same thing that happened all the time. I don't even want to say it like that anymore. It's annoying. So if you see Nvidia got me out and then move again, so whatever. But that's what I'm saying here. Like I knew I can get a better price at some point, and I will go for that good price again. Let me wait for SPY to die around there. Got out of PLTR.
$6.45 again for SPY. And popping over.
Yeah, I got Nvidia short. Let's see if he wants to pull.
Okay. Okay, so SPY made a higher high. RSI really doing well. Wow. When we're looking at the volume candles, we're talking buyers, buyers, and more buyers.
one.
SPY now reacting to 645 almost has a support level. We'll see.
You're quiet today, my guy, huh?
Yeah, my guy. Just reading quietly.
Nice. Very nice.
I made a mistake on SoFi. One of my range was wrong.
Okay.
So I tried a shit ton of times. And like didn't work, and then I go back to check, and like it was wrong.
Okay. Well, that's out of your hands because it was a previous mistake, but like I'm doing worse. Like I am trading in the line of nobody, so
Explain.
yeah. When you are trading out of no levels, like if you jump, like I chase all those trades, like
Yeah,
most of
remember you
them.
saying that, eh? You were
So
chasing.
that's so wrong, man. Like, but I'm still okay, and I have like right now it's a little bit like I have a better price, but now SPY is printing higher, so we're gonna see if SPY is gonna be holding or not. But like, I'm being quite smoky.
I'm long on SoFi and short on PLTR.
Okay,
SoFi is going high.
645 has become a support level, the local support. It's gone.
Yeah, next target.
It's gone. 646.20. Wow.
I have 646.64 for next target on SPY.
Okay.
Even higher than what you have. I'm gonna take a look at the higher time frame just in case there is something I'm like being blind. Yeah, quite mixed volume right now. So SPY.
Oh. What a market. Okay, so your 80's coming up there, Davey.
For which one?
645.80.
like one of the questions I have on my head right now, why the equities are not doing as good if this thing is pulling back the way it's pulling back. I would say this is
Which
not,
one is pulling back?
like if you see PLTR and Nvidia, although they are not like trading as clean as a SPY
Okay.
after they print the 45.
So what's feeding it?
That's part of my question probably. Like, why is it doing that?
Tesla?
Man, there's no rejection until the 47.88.
I don't know if you did the monthly level on SPY.
Yes, I did it. That's what the one I'm saying. They like.
Look at the top right now.
Mm-hmm.
It's right on the level.
Yeah.
645.80?
Wait for this is the month. Like what you have there, I have
81. From 645.70 to 646. 644.57 to 644.22.
yeah, that one I don't have it.
And 643, that is the bottom, 59. And 643.25. Based on that, SPY should revert. Should not go to 646, or should not break 646.
I think it's 646.50. We'll see.
I like just to like for me to let you guys know what I have,
Yeah?
because I don't have the one that Zach say, and I don't have the one you say either. Like mine is a little bit closer to you, but that's because of the tape probably.
Yeah.
But the one I have, like it said, it's suggesting that it will go 47, 647, 648, like 647.90 something. But your indicator is more like you are using PVP, so you have more precise thing.
I'll put 646.50. I think it's. We'll see.
Let's see. I hope Zach is right.
Yeah, we've got strong positions at 646 for sure.
If Zach is right, my trade are going to be right.
I think he won't get there, like he already touched it, and it will.
Did they reject it? Like that's what with your thing is like that's one of the problems. The tops are not that legit, you know. Like
Yeah, but that's because I didn't explain to you the other
okay, we haven't get there yet.
thing.
Yeah,
You see how you're looking at the monthly thing?
mm-hmm.
So sometimes they are too wide to place a position.
Well, it's exactly why I say I'm trading in line of nobody, because like I'm gonna show Marie that is here. For example, let's say this is in the 5 minute. If we look at Nvidia, like I shouldn't be trading Nvidia until now. Like, but I was trading it in between this here. So you see, like here, I was trading it there. So
That's what you were calling nowhere land.
nowhere lands, yeah. Like as I say, you remember I told you that when I look at the guys from like this is not my phrase. Like the one that say land of nobody is Neil. And like what I was saying is like you really don't know what you're like yes, it makes sense. We can see it on the tape that nobody's buying it there. That's why we say nobody lands.
Nobody's, nowhere land.
Nowhere lands, yeah, but like when you graph the way that Zach is graphing, like doing the graphics for this, you really see that in this here, like in between those things, it's always super erratic. It only reacts strong when it touch one of those volume
One of
interest.
those limits. I like it. Good job.
Good job, but please improve your execution, my guy. Like that. I said that to myself.
Yeah,
Well-
the other part of the strategy is, it's too wide when you go on the monthly.
Mm-hmm.
After you have to look at the daily, so the range will be way smaller, and you only mark them when it's in the monthly range. I have to explain in the call, but
Okay, so like the daily ones that you mark, you only mark it if you have a relevance tied to the month.
if it's inside the month.
Got you.
So the real entry will be inside the month on a daily, but my exit, I still put my exit on the monthly,
Okay.
just because I think it's safer.
The volume on Nvidia, no, on SPY, spiked quite a lot. So when I look at it, it was 80% while it was breaking the 645, and now it's 83%. So we're gonna know if those are sellers jumping in or if this is buyers, like very soon. Like if you re-enter the 645 with that volume, that means sellers jumping at that price. So
Well, I've put what I thought would be in right now. So this was the resistance this morning. Now it should be support. The tape supports that. We'll see what it's going to do there.
it's funny, you still have Lucid.
Oh, yeah. Hey, remember when I said, hey, hold on and we'll see. Like the imbalance is so sweet and I've got such a nice position right now. So we'll see what that's going to happen.
Yeah, you have a very good price too.
Yeah, we'll see what's going to happen. From
Like-
the PCL, right? So.
Yeah, like it is making those those are higher lows. And you still have a good price, so it's cool.
It's watching water boil, but hey.
I took at 157. I took the LTR short,
Okay.
like 7 minutes ago,
Gentlemen,
I got out.
you have a good price.
but I got out.
Did it shake you or you got yourself out because you didn't believe on it?
It's not that I don't believe it's the strategy rules.
Oh, it's true because you are using it is telling you what is your stop loss right away. Got
Like you see on the previous candle the little wick.
Let me look at it. Wait for it. Yeah,
That
That's
was
where
my
you got
point. I got out.
Okay.
I got in at the top out there.
Oh, you came out
Yeah,
with
we-
profit.
Yeah. 3 yards.
Here we go.
Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
We're gonna bring you one of those buttons to Quebec,
Might have to.
and you're gonna be able to press from there.
I like it.
And I took that trade based on SPY level. So
Look at you.
I have to integrate that maybe.
No, like, if I am looking at SPY, I feel a little blindsided, but yeah, I see. Like, buy the penny. The only thing I will say, like, if you see the way, like, that push that it just did right there,
Yeah.
I have been having it here. So this time, the push has sellers. It's not like when it push below.
Uh huh. I know what you mean.
like you remember the other was just a red line,
Yeah.
and I
mhm.
say like, oh, there is no anybody offering about around those prices. You know, Zach, like technically what we are seeing, like the thing I show you, I was able to see when I spy across one of the bands, and it did it on a way that is quite impressive, and it will explain why it across that way. Because there is no sizes, so.
Mhm.
Like you don't see anybody bidding against those prices.
Well, right now it's entering a range buy. It's either gonna reject it or break it aggressively.
Please reject it.
OPI is fucking around.
SoFi.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like, well, not like Lucid, but yeah, it's not moving much yet.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I like this.
Rivian.
Ooh. What the heck? Okay, right there. I know, put it in order.
I
Got the reject.
yeah. And like the reject is as good, almost as good, because somebody have to bid the freaking 645. So
Watch it how it's gonna react at 6:45:28 though.
okay,
Look at the wick it's forming.
but again, like I just want you to show you that I want to show, like you see the green line,
Yeah.
no bid until 645.40. There is no bid between there, so that's a kind of weakness there. It did exactly the same, but toward the opposite side, and there was no counterpart. But like, let's see what it does. Like technically, that suggests, like as the other side was suggesting, it's supposed to go higher. This one is suggesting it's supposed to go lower until they show up.
Well, that's a hammer though.
Like, there's also another level. There's also another level. You see those stops in the morning, like from
After they
9:34
open or
to
before?
9:34 to 10.
Yeah.
Those stops are level 2. So right now it's stuck between the two levels. So
See that's the thing I'm saying. Like, I have not enough information to say like, but it's basically like there should be a way to measure that. Okay, that requires a lot of volume. That as well.
Senor Davy,
Yes.
do
Can I
you
break?
think? Yes, please.
Yeah, let's take a little break. We're gonna be back in a bit.
I'm long. Not going good. SoFi has been a disaster too. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Mm-hmm. Pi is really stuck in between two. Like by the penny on both. Yeah, right there. From 75 to 647 on SPY. Like 80 is almost the middle. Hmm? What do you mean? Ah, 45.80. Okay. Okay, but go look at the other day. What I mean is, you want to see when it's gonna reverse in that range? That's what? A monthly? From which day? From which day? I don't see a drop in volume. A little bit, but uh, look at August 27. The drop is way bigger.
Right, we are back. Yeah,
Ah!
but you are getting more and more of that, which is good. Just like maybe sometimes you want to front run it a bit, like 1 cent or two. So let's see if SPY gonna keep going up.
So did you mark the range from the 27?
No, I didn't mark it. I just look at it and I have it there actually. Like the one I have
So
from
the
the
range from
uh-huh.
645, 72 to 645, 84. And that's where it's bouncing from now.
Okay.
Let's go see SPY.
I'll send you a picture so you understand better.
Yeah. Can you send it that I can see the spectrum of the like? Are you able to do that?
That's too far,
Too far? Okay.
but just for you to see. Tell me when you look at it.
Mm-hmm. So the yellow is a daily and the red is a monthly.
Yeah, it's green, but yeah, in between the two it makes yellow.
Okay.
So the big orange one is the monthly,
Mm-hmm.
and the green is the daily. So because the monthly is so wide, you cannot take an entry based on that. So I'm thinking entry based on the green one. And I'm always aiming for the, let's say I'm going short, I'm aiming for the
top of the next one.
top of the monthly next one.
Okay. Okay.
Sometimes it's really like a short trade, but
Okay.
because your stop loss is so short too, that it makes
I'm gonna show you something, just to have your opinion, because as I said, like, this is your, like, you are the one that showed me this thing, and like you know those things. I'm just learning from you there. So what I'm gonna show you now, the red, like I'm gonna send it to you as you send it to me. The red is monthly and the blue is a trimestral. So and like Palantir just yesterday Palantir did a whole trimestral range from one to the other.
Mhm.
How you doing?
Not good, but I'm okay. Like I can recuperate very fast,
Mm-hmm.
but I have to be right for it to, like, for this to manifest, because I didn't flip my head around. So just let
So
me
the
know.
blue is
Yeah, the blue is
trimestral,
exactly
and the red
is monthly.
monthly.
I didn't do daily, and I didn't do daily because I don't know. I didn't think about doing daily, but like, and when if I show you like Nvidia, what happened to Nvidia is that when I was trading it, it was trapped in between those. Like it was in between, so in the areas that you say, oh, you don't take trades there. So like Nvidia today have not touched none of my levels, like, and I am still going short on it, which is
So what, Louise? Why do you?
no, because it's like you have a like it's like PLTR yesterday. I did very good on PLTR,
Oh, you kicked it.
but like my entry on PLTR was poor. Like I mean, it was like I had certain certainty that it was going to get there, and I didn't have the patience to wait for it to get there. So, like, by the way, I captured about like 75% of the move on that trimestral move that I am talking to you.
Yeah, that was.
Nice. The only thing is, are you sure you don't have a like more monthly range in between those two?
No, I'm not sure about that. And the reason why I'm not sure about that is because, like, I have noticed that sometimes when I zoom out, like, for example, the way I have been doing this, like, the way I did the monthly, is that I make sure that the only candle I'm able to see is a one candle, and it's the 1 month candle. And, like, when I zoom in or zoom out, like, it have a tendency to show me more levels, so I try to find like the most in that I can see. But then when I move it a little bit, like Yeah, I know precisely on that. Like that's why at some point they're gonna pay for that thing and I'm gonna get the PvP
Mhm.
because I'm pretty sure you fix the like
I click on the thing, and every day show me the thing if I put
yeah
daily,
like the specific one.
monthly.
Yeah,
and I can put 3 months if I want to.
perfect. So yeah, that's why I'm not sure about that, but it was good enough because it was there. So because it
On
was
TLTR?
yeah exactly that was PLTR. But what I'm saying is like
I'll show you what my 3 months look like.
perfect. Oh, you are okay. Nice of you.
Okay. So Spy's pulling back.
Yeah, finally.
Are we sweating?
Just a bit. Let me see where is the top range of SAC because like that.
So you like in what time frame were you in that picture?
The picture I sent you is a 5 minute time frame. But
And which day? Yesterday?
yes, yesterday. Maria, what are you trading AMD?
Yep. I should have stayed in. But it is what it is. Okay. Look at Spy again. Jeez.
How do you say, geez, Luis?
Jeez Louise. Yeah, it just keeps finding support at that 645.30. It's just wow.
I'm gonna send you with the monthly level what it looks like for me.
Perfecto.
645.30.
Man, I'm not selling Nvidia below 169. Like I'm not covering below above 169. Wrong mentality.
Why do you say that?
Because I saw the buy at 169 this morning. And like yeah, it had a decent size that say like it had a decent size when nobody was there. So
Okay.
but for you to have an idea, if you go to 169, just that one trade will pay all my rating, and the rest is just profit. But
I like that.
but this is not the right mentality. That's why I'm a little
Yeah,
bit fuming about
but-
it. You know.
I know what you mean.
Zach, the last one that you sent me is your monthly.
TLTR yesterday with the monthly and the daily.
Holy crap, man! But that thing is so clean. Like I mean, you have so many levels, but at the same time, like
Yeah, but when you zoom in more,
mhm.
like when I'm trading, I'm more zoomed in.
Okay.
It doesn't look like that.
Like it is very crowded, I will say, but because you can see where the price action is reacting.
Like look at the bounce at the top,
Yeah.
almost right on it, and it retested before the big candle.
But did you see mine by how many cents? Like it was literally 1 cent only that it appears. So yeah, from what I see, I think you had the whole dollar in there, which was I think 161 for the top, right?
Yeah.
So you had 161. My level say 161.14. You see,
One thing I
Spy?
have to.
You see
one
how it's
thing I have-
pulling back up? Like it's going up, but look, you see more green than red, meaning that you are seeing there more asks than bid when it's pushing back up. And like you have this guy plus that. What you know in there is that it's way different to when it was pushing up previously, because it pushed up previously. And what did you see? A red line.
I was gonna say a lot of.
It was just one red line without any green dots. So which was like, oh, there is nobody against me. So I just gonna step on the gas.
Look at those, right there, right? Boom, 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 boom. But now we found a lot of buyers.
Looks like hieroglyphics.
Eh? What did you say?
Like you know what is hieroglyphic? No, I don't know if it's,
Hieroglyphics?
yeah, it's like that in
Yeah.
French. Yeah, it looks like that.
Yeah, I see that on the 3 month, it was more on the money than the monthly. Let's say. I'll go check the monthly. Maybe. Haha.
Haha.
I don't know why I'm the guy. That's why I need to work on. My monthly was not placed right.
Okay, so Spy is going through it.
And it has a heavy bit, so. Spy is not my friend, what will do?
646, Spy.
Placed better, it should look like that.
Okay, I'm gonna check it out. Let's see.
It's just that sometimes when I see a top, I don't know where it starts and when it ends.
Okay.
That's why I need to.
Yeah, like I see before 11, it was holding quite good between the two levels. Look at this thing. Those are the lines that he's placing. And like that, like for example, you see when he's in between these?
Mm-hmm.
Like that's when he suggests to like you don't go. You just go only when you touch one or the other. So like you
And
see
if
how
you
it hold,
touch-
hold, hold, then re-enter, stay trapped in there, then go down, stay like. But look at that, like you can go short from there, like just
Wow, is that
very interesting thing.
Okay, working on that.
very interesting.
And when it breaks one against you,
Yeah?
and you wait for the retest, then you go the other way because it becomes a
Support.
support. So, the picture I sent you, if you see, a lot of the time that it breaks, I always retest it.
Yeah. And it's in both directions.
But if you get the direction wrong, you enter on the retest. pretty good.
Yeah, go for it, SPY. I think SPY is gonna fall a little bit more.
Yes, I need to go, guys, but
So nice that you can join us.
Yeah, it's gonna be 2 days. He's here Tuesday and Thursdays.
Tuesdays and Thursdays. Nice.
yeah. And Wednesday, I'll probably trade, but after my class, so
Yeah, like yesterday.
at 11. Yeah,
Cool.
11. So I'll
Nice.
just look at the stream and at the end of the stream.
Nice. So you did good today? Like you trade SoFi. What else do you trade?
Yeah, so far I placed my level wrong again.
Okay.
That's something I can work on. And I did a bunch of trades based on that level that didn't work.
That didn't work. Yeah.
Now that I delete that level, I see it clear that it would have worked without that one.
Like, to be honest, even myself, after the, like, for example, you say, like, are you sure that there is no level in between there? Like, maybe we need to find a way that we will say, like, a way that of making sure that the levels are correct. But yeah.
One
But
thing
all level could be correct, but the issue is then when it flips from resistance to support.
No, but in here it's because we, like, is not that part. It's like that we didn't see the spectrum correctly, so we mistakenly put a level. So it's like if one of your line you thought something and you put something else. Like you see
Okay,
something and you are
okay.
putting something else. That's
my
why.
Sorry.
error today was based on, like, let's say if I go on a monthly and then an hourly. What I see is like okay, so when a stock made a top, like a couple months ago,
Uh-huh.
so if I made a top, and when it makes a top, it makes a low level, like a low volume level.
Mhm.
But you don't know where it ends because there's no
There is no
volume above.
other highs.
Okay.
So what I did is I placed it too low and too wide. So what it does is I thought it was going to bounce, but
Hmm.
it was just
Well, today that's exactly
it was in the
the,
middle.
because I am only using the monthly levels. That's exactly the problem I have with the SPY. I see where it begin. I don't see where it finish
Because of the top.
because of the top. Yeah.
Can we make bets then?
Yeah, we can do if you want.
What?
Where you want to make a bet?
Where it can end today. What the top is going to be. Want to make a bet?
The top for SPY?
Yeah.
I'm not good.
What do you think this top for SPY is going to be?
Okay, I can say it very clear.
Okay, I like it.
I will say
Okay, Zach has a number. Okay, yeah, go for it.
146.70.
What for SPY?
646,
Okay.
175. 75.
Wait for my guy. Wait for it.
Wait. Wait.
What did
Do
you
that
say?
again.
I'll put it on the chat so we.
646.
646.75. Hey, look at you. 646.75.
Yeah, he's close.
Okay, so yeah, let's use the chat. So Mary, you can go for yours because I have to look for mine.
Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm looking for mine.
Put it in the chat when.
Yeah,
Okay.
perfect.
So we have proof.
Okay, so for me,
Mm-hmm.
you said 646,
75.
75, 80 is real close. 647. Which one is this? Okay, 647.20.
647.20. Confirm.
Yeah.
Okay. So and now you're gonna come with mine.
I should almost go 40, but
Man.
where is the 40?
Okay, I'm gonna now use 646.58. 646.58. What did Zach say?
75.
Okay, so the one that is closer win, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I was going to change it to 40, but hey, I'm going to be closer at 20, so I'm good. Okay, so who reaches that, right? The top, that's going to be the closest, correct?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so you're saying those are tops that we're saying. Okay.
Yeah, like
Good. No, I was going to change mine to 647, 40.
but like if
But
you
if
bust it for too much and Zach is closer, Zach will win.
Yeah.
Whoever is
The thing,
closer,
I'm
either
in the
below
middle,
or
so
above. What was that?
I'm in the middle, so I'm I have the least range. I can be right. You know,
Okay.
I'm slower than you. For sure, you're closer than everyone else. If
Who?
it's higher than Marie, he's right. But mine, I need to be right on it. But,
Yeah, because I'm the highest.
But
That's
if it
640.
goes higher,
Yeah.
you're right automatically.
Yeah, I'm right automatically. Yeah, that's what I meant. I was going to go 40, but it's like, nah, I'm good.
It's not worth.
Because
If
that's
you go
a,
higher,
like for me, when I'm looking at, what is that? Right there. Okay, yeah. So it's almost the opening range. But, no, it's past that. Sorry. So if I'm looking at, yeah, it would be right there. That would be, yeah, it's 647.20. Yep. So that was support. That was resistance. That turned into support. That turned into resistance. So I like that level.
Cool.
Good.
Yeah, good. That's clear.
I need to go, guys. But have a
Okay.
nice day.
Have
Thank
fun, my
you.
guy.
You too.
Fun.
Thank you, you
Have a
too.
wonderful weekend, Zach.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. So it's in the chat.
Yeah. I really don't want to hold trades afternoon, so I'm gonna try to MacGyver my way out of those
Okay.
earlier than later. I don't know if that's the same, but you got it. But right now, SPY the high is 15 cents from my high, from my number.
646. And right there should bounce. Okay. Yup. That's what it's.
That was a high.
Hey,
I think that was a high.
you think that this here at 646.43 was the high?
Mm-hmm.
44?
I have 646.43.
43, okay.
Yeah, I think that was a high.
No.
Oh my goodness. Go down, my guy. Go down. That's that.
No,
You wanna go down? Go down.
it does not want to go down.
That tape looked like crap, you know.
Which one?
And spike tape.
Ah,
So I'm not being funny. It's just like it really doesn't look that good. Remember, Davey, you cannot be changing this time frame. You see that, like that, my computer. I don't know. Something happened to my computer from last week, or maybe it's because I have been using it
for.
heavier for
Yeah.
for those things, you know. But
Yeah.
because like you see, if
That
I,
makes a difference.
yeah, that usually because I say it wasn't crashing before. It wasn't doing any like yes, here like once in a while you did something funny, but right now it's every day. And like what I'm saying here, I changed my time frame to the 5 minute, and like the price stay behind. Like I mean, sometimes I have gaps that I say I don't see that gap in your chart, and then I come here and I refresh it, and
And
there's
then
no
the
gap.
gap disappears.
Yeah.
Ah.
So
So did you want to review your trades?
yeah, for sure. And I'm almost sure that I'm gonna be green today. I am
I
red.
like that.
I'm red, but I say I have a plan. I just gonna try to not hold trades afternoon. I don't wanna hold trades afternoon. It's not a good habit. It's a good habit depending if you have the time to always liquidate, but whenever you have the chance of being distracted during the afternoon, it's not a good idea.
Exactly, right?
So yeah, coming back to trading, I'm gonna walk you through my trades. Basically, I went long here on Nvidia. I didn't took any partial, then I took a loss. So why I didn't took any partial here, I don't know. Why did I didn't reduce the risk? I also, that's not right. So that trade looks like a full loss. I don't remember. Yeah, it is a full loss. Then I took a trade, tightened it quite well here. So that was chasing. I was chasing the 170.30, something like that. That didn't work. So red trade here, red trade here. Then I got this long here. I got half of the loss here. This is just half of the loss. So that was better, but not the best. So then I shorted, got a full loss here. So in Nvidia have been like red in both directions today. So then when I got out, I say, you know what? This is the price I wanted originally for the short, as the 69 was the one I wanted for the long. This was the short idea. So I just shorted the gain. No stress about that one. It's working right now. But I say I want 169 because I see the size at 169 and blah blah blah. So I think this is gonna go down to 169, and there I wanna be out. Not before.
Okay.
So, but I will take partial. I am not holding the whole thing until there. So I'm gonna be taking partial as a for sure. So in PLTR I did way better. Yeah, funny enough, I did way better today on PLTR. Yesterday was the one that killed me. Today is the one I am doing better. So in PLTR I went short. Very nice trade here. I partial here, like that was 50% out. Then I add here and I let it take a full loss here. That's the mistake. Get out here and let it go whatever you want to go, and then you aim again for another entry.
Yeah, that's.
So
I did that too.
the same thing that Nvidia. Oh, but this is a good price to go short, my guy. So I shorted again, and now I am about 2 hours in the money on that one. It's coming back from 1.5, 2.R, like a 1.6. At some point it reached almost 2R. So, but yeah, this thing, my target, what is my target on PLTR? 152.50. It's good that I'm able to memorize those things already for longer. So that's my target on Nvidia, on Palantir, 152.50. So, and AMD, this one I have been holding uncomfortably for a little bit too long. Because AMD was working good here, I say like this is just half of a size. Like I short half here, then I add the other half here because it looks like if you want to keep going, but it's going the other direction. So I actually gonna put a trend line here, and I wanna see it breaking that trend line very soon. So if not, I'm gonna be just being out with whatever like lost or. So that trend line, if I use, let's say something like that, that doesn't look correct, but yeah, I'm gonna use just the last two. Let's assume that there is a seller that was gone. Let's assume that, and that is looking like this. So let's see what it's going to do. But as I say, that's the one I am expecting it to break down. I want to see it trading below the 160, though that 160 right now is looking as a long. So, but watch out. So, yeah, good in there. That trade is looking okay, and not the best for sure. But like, I let it go too far again. But I still believe on it a bit. So yeah, that's it for me today. I am like we're gonna go to Marine now, but I am red. I can be green easily, but I have to behave. I have to stop taking trades at poor prices. So yeah, Marie, what did you do? I see you are keeping low ticket, like not low tickets. You are keeping low symbols lately. Like I mean, you are just trading 2 today, 3.
3.
Lucid AMD and
Neo, I've got an order in.
Okay.
So if I've got, and it's gonna probably not do well. So there we go. So if I'm looking at Lucid, so Lucid, I can't believe I don't have a big loss on Lucid, and it got me out. My goodness, I got trouble. Okay. ¿Dónde está? Okay, so Lucid, I went in initially at 1564, added at 1556, added, so I had about 6, I had a full position on Lucid. I took 2 partials, which were 1580 and 1578, that I took the partials there.
So she got it around here, and she took partials around
On the
VWAP,
top, because when it did it twice, I said, okay, you know what? You're looking for the big move, the big imbalance. It's going to get there, but it's not. And I should have waited because look at where it's reversing at the mark I said. So I might go in and hold it overnight. We'll see. But at least it didn't manifest the way I thought it was going to.
Yeah, like it didn't break the VWAP ever.
It did.
It didn't do it for good.
No, exactly. So I kept going through, coming back, going through, coming back. So I was really pleased when it kept making higher lows. I said, okay, we're consolidating. I like the RSI, it's maintaining. But when it lost it, it lost it. So right now, I'm still looking at Lucid. I think it's going to be when it's going to go back and balance itself. Neo, I had an order at 5.97, did not get me. Then I had an order at 6, it didn't get me. Now I've got it back at 5.97. I should have listened to you and front runned it a couple of cents and just put it at 6, because then I would have got my order. So I still have it at 5.98 there. I might hold it there. We'll see. We've got an incredible position at there, but it could be just repelling, and that's why it keeps flipping at 6 right there. So these were it. That's all that I've got.
Yeah, it's for you extremely low amount of symbols, so that's
Yeah.
I will guess I can say that's good.
Yeah, I think it is good, right? Instead
So
of-
yeah, cool stuff. So
but I am red today as well.
okay, and this close to Pastor Green. If you see here. But yeah, it's choppy day in general.
Yeah, we're not the only one that are red, so
No, no, that's not like this trading is not about being green
oh no,
every day. You know, it's like
exactly. It's controlling our risks, right?
yeah. So yeah, you see, like look how this push, red, but then it's more green than red, and you have all the setting pressure here, like that's distinct. So, look, pushing higher,
Yeah.
less red. That's not gonna hold. But yeah, let's see how high it can go. So yeah, for everybody watching, that's it for today. And yeah, we did more or less okay. It's just like a little bit of not zooming in out enough. Like in my case, like MB, like most of my losses came from the time that SPY was in the choppy action here, like so. But hey, you I guess we do our best depending on how our mentality and our states are. So yeah, so we have to sleep a little bit better, and
Well said.
that's good. So it's a learning process, you know. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope everybody have a good day. As I say, I think I'm gonna be green by the end of the day, but that's a subject for tomorrow. So I hope
Yeah,
everybody
well
have a good
said.
one, and we will see you then. Bye.
Bye.